Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on REALME Note 60. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant, and here click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and now click here to enable Hey Google. Then click on More and I agree. Then click on More and I agree again. Now click on Next. And click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next. And now you can go back and go for lock screen. Then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.